Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn on spaces on X or Twitter. First of all, you can open the Twitter application. I can already open the X app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply scroll down and now you can tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply tap on privacy and safety section. After tapping on safety section, you can just simply scroll down and here you can see the option spaces. Tap on spaces. After tapping on spaces, you can allow this option. After this, you can just simply scroll down and here you can now tap on add preferences. After going to it, you can just simply tap on notifications. After tapping on notification, you can now tap on preferences. After preferences, you can now tap on push notifications. After this, you can just simply scroll down, and here you can find the option broadcast and spaces. Make sure that you enable this option, and it is the way you can turn on spaces on Twitter or X. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.